Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful bag. I use 5mm hook. Make a magic circle, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, turn it, make chains 1, 2, 3 chains. Stitch first run in this ring, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, make 2 chains, make 1 double crochet, pull up yarn, two double crochet in here, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Now we have 4 double crochet in here. This is 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 chains, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, make last stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. In total we have 10 double crochet stitches in first round. Go to top of first chains. I show top of these chains. Make chains after last stitch and a slip stitch. A slip stitch and go to this first corner in this space. Make chains, 3 chains, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 more double crochet in same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochet in same stitch. Now we have 6 double crochet in first space. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochet in first space. Go to next space in here, make double crochet stitches, 2 chains, 2 double crochet stitches, 2 chains, 2 double crochet stitches, in same stitch, like this. 6 double crochet in this space. Go to next space, skip 2 double crochet, go to this space and continue same as before stitches. 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. I made second round. Go to top of first chains, pull up yarn, slip a stitch, slip a stitch, and go to first space. Make chains, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go to this corner, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet in same stitch, 1 more double crochet, make 2 chains, go to same stitch, make 2 double crochet. We have 6 stitches in first corner. Go to next space, skip 4 stitches, go to next space, make double crochet stitches, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet in same stitch, 2 chains, 1, 2 double crochet, go to next corner, 1, 2 double crochet. In here, same as this corner, make 6 double crochet in corners, make chains, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 chains, 2 more double crochet, like this, 6 double crochet stitches in here. Skip this stitch, go to this space, make 4 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Go to same stitch, 2 more double crochet, go to corner, in here, and make corner. In corners we have 6 double crochet in total, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. One, 2. In here we have 6 stitches. Skip this stitch, go to this space and make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. In total we have 4 double crochet in this space, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Make 2 chains in last stitch, make last stitch, go to top of first chains, slip a stitch, Make a slip stitch in this stitch and go to first corner. Chaining, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Go to next space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, go to next space, skip this space, go to next space, make double crochet stitches, 2 chains, double crochet stitches, go to next space, continue same as before stitches. I made this round stitch, slip stitch, skip this stitch, go to next space, slip stitch and chaining. Make double crochet, 2 chains, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Go to next corner. Continue from corners. 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Continue from corners like this. 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. I show 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet. Make last stitch. Two double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet stitches. Go to any stitch, insert your hook into one corner. Pull up yarn, make chains, 3 chains, yarn over, go to same corner, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Turn it, slip stitch and go to corner. Make one slip stitch, make chains, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet.